In this video, I explain if-else statement in Python. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Often you want to take one action when a conditional test passes and different action in other case. So we can deal in Python with if-else syntax. An else statement can be combined with if statement. An else statement contains blocks of code that execute if only condition expression in the if statement false. When you assume if statement and the statement false, then we execute else statement. So now we perform this in Python. Suppose age is variable and we assign 17 value to age. Here start with if statement. As you know, we write if in small lowercase letters. Here is condition impose if age greater than or equal to 17. So here is colon. When you use colon here, the next line is indent. So as you see, the cursor is already indent. So here print the statement you are old and if to vote. You can also print statement according to your choice. I have print another statement. Have you registered? Have you registered to vote? Else colon. The keyword else gets its own line. So it gets its own line. You cannot write it in indent form. It gets its own line and colon at the end. The statement that execute in else case are indented. So the next statement is indented. As you see, it is already indented. So now I print here other statement if the statement of its if condition is false. So sorry, you are too young to vote. Please register to vote. As soon as you turn 18. So you see the age is 17. Our condition is age for vote is greater than or equal to 18. So the statement in if condition is false because these statements show that you are old and if to vote or have you registered to vote. Here I use else statement. Else statement takes its own line and with ident. The next line after else is indent and colon are used at the end of else statement. So here you print statements and these statements are print. So in this case you use if else statement if one condition is false, and we test it with else statements. Now we take another example. This example is with number. Suppose x is equal to 75, y is equal to 50. If y greater than x colon, in if condition our condition is y greater than x, print y is greater than x. Else statement takes its own line. Print y is not greater than x. Here you can see y is not greater than x. Y is not greater than x. Because this condition is false, y is 50 and x is 70. So y is less than x. So we assume say condition in if statement is wrong. So it prints the statement in else condition. If you want to see videos on if statement, comparison operator, increment in Python, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.